from my hand. This book, as the name given to it, they say this Holy Bible. And this word holy capture the mind of people that want to worship their maker with all their heart. In the description, they told us that the book is holy. An opposite of what the book contains. The opposite of this book is unholy. And why our man was captured is because the word holy was used to capture the mind of worshippers of our Creator. And we're told that everything written in this book called Bible were all true. We never knew that everything, almost 99% of all that is written in this book that is called holy, are all lies, deception, and charismatic bondage. This book is a book of witchcraft. The beginning of this book, they told us in the beginning that God created heaven and earth. We all know that God means idol or a deity. How can an idol be a creator of heaven and earth? And in the same book, they told us that in the commandment, Exodus 20, that is the commandment of our Father. If you read, go down through that Exodus 20, according to that, thou shalt not kill. Thou shalt not have any other God beside me, or make any image or any lie. The same book that is called Bible, that they told us that is holy, they still told us that our Father may kill time, because the name was not given to us. The name of the Father in heaven that created the whole heaven and earth was not given to us. Rather, they gave us an idol name, God, and we're going by this name. They refused to tell us that the name of our Father is Mekista. This book now told us that our Father Mekista, that told them we should not have any idol or make any graven image or worship them. See, tell us that our Father, the same our Father Mekista, told Moses to make a brazen serpent. A brazen serpent, and